Function of function is a very important topic for calculus. So you need to hone the skills on function of function before starting calculus. So we had a worksheet with 4 questions and this is the 4th one. And I'm giving you a solution of these questions since many of the students have not really done this chapter. While some IB students have really done a good job, and this is the test problem from their test. So question number 4 is given f of x equals to square root of x minus 1, g of x equals to 4 to the power of x plus 1, and h of x equals to x plus 4. Solve for h of f of g of x equals to 4. So that is an equation, correct? So we need to solve this equation and get the value. Now let's start doing it. So we'll start from inside out, right? So we'll first do f of g and keep h outside. So what I mean to say is we will do like this. H of f of g of x. Do you see that? That is what we'll start with. So h of. So what will happen is in this function f of x equals to x minus 1, we'll replace this x with g of x. That is what this means, right? So h of, instead of we have f of gx means replace this x with g of x, right? So we have g of x minus 1. Correct? Now what is g of x? G of x is given to us as 4 to the power of x plus 1. Keep an eye on this. So it is g of x is 4 to the power of x plus 1. So we write 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1 square root. Do you get it? So what we have done is we have found f of g, right? So that is how we do it, right? Now let's do h of this. Now h is x plus 4. Now instead of this x, we'll write all this. That is what it means. So h of these means x plus 4, where x is all this. So it is square root of 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1. This is x plus 4 plus 4. So this is our function. Do you understand now? So h of f of g of x is actually all this. Now what we need to solve is this equation. So we are given that all this is actually equals to 4. That is what we are given. Let's now try to solve this equation, right? So let me use another ring. So we'll solve this equation now. That means we want to solve 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 equals to 4, right? Now if I take this 4 on the other side, I get square root of 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, correct? Now let me square and then solve. So if I square this, I get 4 to the power of x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0, right? Square of 0 is 0. That is 4 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 1. Now x plus 1 should be what in this case? Anything to the power of 0 is 1, right? Basically what we know is 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore x plus 1 is equals to 0, right? And from here we can say x is equals to minus 1. Correct? So that is our solution. X is equal to minus 1. So we get x equals to minus 1 as our solution. So if x equals to minus 1, then h of f of g of x is equal to 4. Correct? So that is the answer. So our answer is x equals to minus 1. That is how we are going to do. Remember, whenever you are doing function of function, you have to start from inside out as we did, right? So again, look into the video, try to understand how we've done it. It's a very important question, and do some more questions from your book. Thanks and all the best.